Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. June 3rd, we are organizing the one-day workshop with lunch. With morning, we'll start with meditations and evening we'll complete with the Kshatriya Pranayama classes. So the whole day will be planned for a workshop. Start with the Meipadam. What is the benefits of Meipadam? What are the diet you have to use? What are the diet you can't use when you practice Meipadam? Also the Karalakattai. What type of Karalakattai you can start with and how you follow the practice and how long you train with it and why you can't do the different type of Karalakattai. And this type of all the completions of the day workshop. So whatever the doubts you have, you can clarify that day. People who are interested, you can join. You have people who have doubts. There's so many people who have doubts. There are a lot of people asking questions about the diet, about the food, about how you work and work out and everything. You can clarify that day. So the full day workshop will be start with the Gurukulam and then we go for lunch with the Club Mahindra, Hotel Club Mahindra is close by here. So then we will be come for the tea and then we're completing with the Kshatriya Pranayama. So people who are interested, you can sign up for these classes, but not too long distance. It's only June 3rd we will start these courses. Please sign up. Thank you so much. Bye.